Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get a modded version of Subway Surfers for iOS and Android. So as you can see, I got unlimited boards, keys, and coins. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this. It's pretty easy. So if you guys are like Subway Surfers fans, then you're probably not interested in grinding anymore. So I'm going to show you guys how to get the mod. So just go to your browser and type in zoommods.com and then go to the search bar and you should see Subway Surfers mod. So press on it and then the mod will download onto your device. Now this works on both iPhone and Android, so we're just going to wait for it to download here as you can see. So I'm just going to let it do its thing, shouldn't take that long to download. So let's just give it a second to download here. So yeah, it's only 41 megabytes, so it's not that big. Now before it downloads, there should be like a little antivirus thing pop up, and it says to install the Subway Surfers mod, you need to install 3 apps from this list. Now they're from the App Store and they're 100% for free. All this does is checks that you're real, and then it installs the Subway Surfers mod. So Family Island says reach level 15, but then Misplay is different, so they're all different. So just press tap to install, bring you to the store. I'm on an Android, so it's going to bring me to the Play Store, but if you're using an iPhone, it will bring you to the App Store. So I usually go for like Family Island because all I have to do is reach level 15 on the game, which is pretty easy. But there are some other apps like Alibaba where you got to run it for 30 seconds. Misplay, Pogo. So whatever it is, I'm in the US. If you're in another country, it may be completely different apps. That's fine, but that's how to get Subway Surfers mod. It's fully working, guys, so be sure to try it out. This is super cool, and I've been looking for a Subway Surfers mod for every day in my life, really. Most of them they stop working, but this one still works. So I'm going to see you guys later, and peace out.